1. Use a pencil eraser to remove scuffs on your suede shoes. Make sure the pencil eraser has never been used before. Place the eraser on the scuff mark on your shoe and gently rub it back and forth until the scuff is gone. 2. Fill in small scratches on your leather shoes with a felt tip marker. If your leather shoes are black, use a black felt tip marker. If your leather shoes are brown or another color, find a felt tip marker that matches. Place the tip of the marker on the scratch and carefully color it in so you don't get marker on the rest of your shoe. 3. Remove scuffs on your patent leather shoes with petroleum jelly. Dip the end of a cotton swab in petroleum jelly. Gently rub the petroleum jelly into the scuff on your shoe until it fades away. 4. Use white vinegar to remove salt stains on your leather shoes. Dip the corner of a wet rag into a bowl of white vinegar. Rub the soaked rag onto the salt stains on your shoes until they're gone.